there! I'm Teacher Marisol. Welcome to Beginning Reading 1. Today, we are going to learn the sounds of letters H, I, and J. But before that, let's sing this ABC song.
A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for no, no. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for question, question. R is for ring, ring. S is for sun, sun. T is for train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for van, van. W is for watch, watch. And X is for box, box. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zoo, zoo.
Wow, what a beautiful voice! Now, let's have a review. Say the sound of each letter. What is the sound of letter E? Great! Eh, eh. What is the sound of letter G? Wonderful! G, g. And what is the sound of letter N? Marvelous! N, n. Now let's match the following pictures with their beginning sounds. Elephant, elephant. Wonderful! The correct answer is letter E. Gorilla, gorilla. Wow! The correct answer is letter G. Nest, nest. Wonderful! The correct answer is letter N. Great! Now let's read. Repeat after teacher. Cab, nab, fat, cat, net, pet, bed, med. Get a pet. Get a net. Get a cab. Wonderful! Now, let's begin. Are you ready? Great. What letter can you see? Yes, you are correct. It's the letter H. H sounds ha, ha. Now it's your turn. Very good. H is for hat. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for horse. H is for heart. H is for heart. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. H is for hat. H is for horse. H is for heart. Wonderful! I can see another letter. What letter can you see? Yes, you are correct. It's letter I. I sounds E, E, E. Now it's your turn. Wonderful! I is for igloo. I is for igloo. I is for ink. I is for ink. I is for iguana. I is for iguana. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. I is for igloo. I is for ink. I is for iguana. Great! I can see the last letter. What letter can you see? You are correct. It's letter J. J sounds J, J, J. Now it's your turn. Wonderful! J is for juice. J is for juice. J is for jellyfish. J is for jellyfish. J is for jacket. J is for jacket. Now it's your turn. Repeat after teacher. J is for juice. J is for jellyfish. J is for jacket. Great! Now activity time. Look at the letter and say the sound. What is the sound of letter H? Great! What is the sound of letter I? Wonderful! E, E. What is the sound of letter J? Wonderful! J, J. Now let's match the following pictures with their beginning sounds. Juice, juice. Great! The correct answer is letter J. Hat, hat. Wonderful! The correct answer is letter H. Igloo, igloo. Very good. The correct answer is letter I. Now let's read. S, it, s, it. Sit. Now it's your turn. Ha, it, ha, it. Hit. It's your turn. J, at, j, at. Jet. It's your turn. B, at, b, at. Bat. It's your turn. J, r, j, r. Jar. It's your turn. B, r, b, r. Bar. It's your turn. Wonderful! Now let's read the sentences. Sit for a bit. Sit for a bit. It's your turn. Great! It is a jar. It is a jar. It's your turn. Wonderful! You did a very good job today. You have an ice cream. See you next time.